Terry Fielding. What's up, Terry? Invite everybody to hear this because I have something everybody needs to say. We're going to deal with this Omar Navarro thing once and for all. And we're on this. We're taking the gloves off, y'all. Hey, you said no questions, and now you're going to mention everyone?
I'm doing the interview now.
No, I didn't ask you nothing.
No, I'm asking you.
You ain't interviewing me. No, wait a second. Let's talk about you. No, don't try to do this. Well, let's talk about your wife. Let's talk about that Russian woman. Let's talk about the Russian woman. What about your wife? What about your wife? What about your wife, man? What about your wife?
What about you?
What about?
You have a criminal
I'm not running. I'm not running anything.
You have a criminal record and your felonies.
You got all these women. He be doing stuff. Check his resume. All that lying and talking. Omar, you showed me, man. Because the stuff you said to me today, I'd have been waiting for you outside, man. What's wrong with you guys? Omar's the biggest liar and deceiver, and ask them girls. But Omar, we're going to see your pork chop eating ass in the debate, and you don't have a pot to piss in, Omar. And Jennifer, come on, Jenny, I have more respect for you, but dang, I mean, I still love you. I still love you, but damn, Omar ain't shit. And hope you use condoms, too. Give women diseases or something. You're a freak, Omar. And I'm letting the world know you're a freak. You can't stop doing crazy stuff. You got crazy people around you. And, hey, and you calling somebody a rhino? Now, I got to say this. Look who's on your staff. You calling my man a rhino? Look who's on your staff. I love Samari.
So of course not. I don't have a horn out of my nose.
He is Tricky Dick Jr. Up here going around bugging people and doing that stuff. You ain't got no game. Oh, you didn't know the law? If you didn't know the law, you don't need to be our congressman. That chump, Omar's a chump. I'm not taking it easy because you have soft feelings on that chump. What I got to say right now, I say to his face. Hey, he stopped being deceptive. Stop fooling people like you, having you think he's all good. He ain't nothing. Hey, do you want me to give you his wife's phone number? Do you want me to give you his mistress's phone number? I got him. Because if you keep saying I'm lying, I'm about to do a show and have these people on the show. Remember, everybody got a camera today. Everybody.
Trump it up, trump it up, trump it up, trump it up.
What's wrong with you guys? I'm not illegal.
Smells like liberal. When you smell piss on the ground, it smells like liberal. And that's what a democratic city smells like, piss. And that's what a democratic city looks like, piss. Thank you for watching, please subscribe.
Omar, he's a louse, he's a slouch and everything. Do it, Omar, because you're Tricky Dick Jr.
Robert, you know you're my brother and I love you.
What are you going to talk about?
About people telling people if they're friends with one person, they can't.
I hate that.
You know who just did it to me today?
Who did it?
Dean Silva.
You became friends with him again?
No, we're not friends. He said, I'm dropped from WCP if I don't stop hanging out with Jerry, Jessica, Ian, I don't know. I'm not sure who else, but if I don't stop hanging out with them, Nikki, Ashley, Antonio, yeah, then I'm out of WCP. So deuces, Dean.
I thought
this a campaign event.
The Republican Party has been going against the President of the United States from the very beginning.
What money did you use to come to this event? Campaign money?
The Republican Party.
Did you use campaign money to come to this event?
Has been going against the President of the United States from the very beginning.
Sure. Who from the White House endorses you? Who from the White House endorses you? Name one person. Name one person.
Now let's ask the question.
Because I can say with utmost confidence that the White House will never give you their endorsement. They will never give you their endorsement.
Why is there a pending case open for assaulting David Feiner?
It's called a fair fight.
No. You assaulted him.
It was a fair fight. It was a fair fight.
There's an open case,
It was a fair fight, and he started it.
open investigation
Why did you not get arrested?
for
Why
assault.
did you not get arrested?
Why did you not get arrested?
You guys are just
assaulted
talking.
this man.
There is a subpoena that is coming out from the Ronald Reagan building that shows what happened in the fight.
And this is
he admitted to pushing me first.
Look at you.
He admitted to pushing me first.
And you continue to step
He
forward
admitted
on
to pushing me back.
You assaulted
He
this
pushed
man.
me first.
You assaulted him. You assaulted him.
So
That's what
this is what you do. This is what you do.
campaign
You
does.
just stand here and
Your
argue.
campaign assaults.
You're not a congressional
People
candidate.
who support me.
You're gonna lose.
Please back up,
You're gonna
sir.
lose to Edwin
Please back up.
Duterte because
Who?
Edwin actually
Who?
cares
Who?
about the American.
I don't know. I don't even know you're
Edwin
talking about.
actually cares about.
Oh
the
really?
people. He has a plan.
With
and unlike
Edwin Dirty.
He's not just running to
he's
win an
filed.
election.
How is he going to beat a sitting congresswoman who's been there for 27 years?
Listen to your boy.
How is he going to beat a congresswoman for 27
Listen to your
years?
national
When he can't even fundraise $1,000. $1,000. My last filing, I raised $130,000. How is he going to win with $1,000? You can't even buy chocolates with $1,000. So I mean, how does he expect to win a legitimate campaign against a sitting congresswoman who's been there for 27 years?
Never assaulted kids.
How do you win with $1,000? You can't win with that. No, it is. It is. It's a big support base. Money comes down. You have to have mailers. You have to have TV ads. You have to send your message out in the district. It costs
Look at
money to
Omar
win.
unraveling.
It costs money. It costs money. And why did you assault David Feiner? 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 There's
R.C.
an open
Maxwell,
case
Black
against
Kennedy,
you.
American voice pack.
You got this, right? I mean, you
Unlike Omar Navarro,
I mean,
we actually do.
Here we go. An Edwin supporter is harassing somebody right now, as usual.
Stop stalking me.
Got Bertrand Usher harassing people. Maxwell is
David,
attacking people.
don't you have a restraining order on him? I think you have a restraining order on him. They told didn't the court tell you
Omar,
not to
you're
say
running
that?
for Congress. What are you doing
What-
to actually
what are you doing?
What are you doing to
What
actually?
What are you
defeat-
doing?
Can I ask you
people
one
right
What are you
question?
doing, Maxwell?
Can I ask you
What
one
are you doing
question?
besides harassment?
Omar, can I ask you
What
one
are you
question?
doing besides
Can I ask you a
harassment?
question?
What are you doing with their candidate that
Can I-
only raised
can I ask you a question?
$1,000?
Can I
Your
ask you a
candidate
question?
only raised
Can I ask you a
$1,000.
question?
In the
What
last
are you
filing,
doing to overcome-
I raised $120,000 in the last filing. You've done nothing. How is your campaign
You don't
going
want
to
to have
get
a serious
around
discussion.
a district
You don't
of
want to have a serious
900,000
discussion.
people?
You don't want to-
There are 900,000
I'm on live right now.
people.
What are
How
you doing to
gonna reach
overcome the
900,000
Democrats' lead in the 43rd district?
How are you going to reach out to the Latino community?
What are you doing?
How are you going to reach out
Edwin
to
has
the
been
community?
reaching out. Edwin did a
What?
lowrider
He's in
event
the
in the
Philippines.
district. He did a
He's in the
lowrider
Philippines.
event in the district.
In the Philippines.
He smiles.
He's
He
in
communicates
the
with the
Philippines.
people.
I'm the only candidate
you,
who's been published by Fox News. I'm the only
That's not
candidate
gonna win voters
who's been
in a
on Breitbart.
Democrat plus
Who's been
36
picked up by the
district.
national scene.
It's a
I'm
D
the only
plus 36,
candidate that's been doing
Omar.
something since day one.
Omar.
You're just holding up.
In the beginning.
He's just holding up an argument.
He thinks
He's got
Fox
kicked
News
out
is
of
going to
the
help him
campaign.
in a Democrat plus 40 district.
This guy, this guy got kicked out of my campaign.
Why are you not defending?
No,
He
we
got
pulled
kicked
out
out of
our
my
endorsement.
campaign.
No. We pulled our
You went
endorsement.
around.
You begged me to come back.
You went around trying to
You
steal
called me to come
my
back.
donor list.
You begged me to come
You tried
back.
taking my
You
donor
begged me
list.
to come back.
You tried taking my donor list. No one ever begged you for anything. You stole my donor list. You attempted to do that, and that's
stole your
why
donor
I
list?
kicked you out of the
What donor
campaign.
list? How?
And not only
How?
that, you
Describe.
tried getting
Describe.
connections with people like me.
Describe. How did
You
I
even
steal your
told me
donor list?
You tried to do that.
Look into the
And
camera
that's
and
why
tell
we
everyone
kicked you
how I
out of the
stole your
campaign
donor list.
privately.
How did I steal your donor list?
No,
Tell everyone.
this is private.
Tell-
Stop recording.
No, tell everyone.
This is a
How did I
private
steal-
matter.
how did I steal a
And I'm
donor
telling
list?
you one-on-one
Tell
what
everyone.
happened.
Tell
I'm telling
everyone.
everybody what
Tell
happened.
everyone how I
I'm
stole
telling
the
you
donor
what
list.
happened. You got kicked out of
Another
the
lie
campaign.
from Omar
Another
Navarro.
two.
Another lie from Omar Navarro.
You
How
got
did I
kicked
steal?
out of the campaign.
How did I steal a donor list?
You got kicked out of the campaign.
How did
That's
I
all
steal
you
a
did.
donor list?
How'd you break your arm?
We stopped endorsing you. Yeah,
Look,
that's
let me get some pictures.
campaign.
I have
Proof.
pictures of Maxwell here.
here we go.
Look, I have pictures right here.
Proof of donor list being stolen.
Look at
right
this.
here.
Oh, this is Maxwell? Oh,
That's
look
me
at that.
endorsing your campaign.
Look
That's
at
not
that.
me stealing a donor list.
Look at this. No,
didn't
he's
do
right
it.
here
We
supporting
you
me.
out before you could.
You know, he's right here. All of a sudden now, he's
Show me.
here arguing
Show
me
me.
when there's pictures of him
Yeah, that's
supporting
when
me.
we were endorsing your
He's
campaign.
here supporting
and
me.
we pulled out.
Now,
and you called me
now
and
all
begged
of
me.
a sudden,
and you called me and
all
begged
of a
me to come
sudden-
back.
No, I
and you
kicked you
called
out of
me
the
and begged me to
campaign.
come back.
Where's
I
the
kicked
proof?
you out
Show
of
the
the
proof
campaign.
that I
Show
stole
the
You
donor
got
list.
kicked out of the campaign.
Show the proof.
You got kicked out of the campaign,
I'm
and you're
asking you to
upset.
explain to the
And
people
you're
how I
upset.
stole donor
And
lists.
you're
Who's
upset.
begging? Show the
And
screenshot.
you're upset.
This is your chance.
Who was begging?
And
I
you're
stole
upset.
your list, apparently.
No, you didn't. We kicked you out before you
Exactly, I
could.
did not.
You tried
We
to.
endorsed his campaign, and then we pulled out. You guys
No, you got
upset.
kicked out.
We put someone else
got
in the
kicked out.
race, and you're
I'm not
upset about
upset.
it.
I'm
Just
not
admit.
upset.
Why are you so
I'm
triggered
sorry
over
to say,
this?
but DiMartini is
Why are
ahead
you
of
so
you guys.
triggered over this?
I'm gonna say that. I mean, DiMartini's got a long way. You got a long way to go. You got a long way to go. I mean, my other opponent has a better chance than the other two.
This is the only way to get yards.
No, it's okay. Absolutely. I'm okay with that.
No, I know, but
I'm okay with that.
Nothing to do with John.
No, you guys are.
That's what I mean. I'm saying I don't have and if you're gonna drag me into this, that'll get real. No,
there we go. There's a threat.
Well, you tried doxing me with other people I know, so yeah, you did online. You did.
You're getting exposed.
No, you
luck's
are
about to
getting
run out.
exposed. You're getting
Don't
exposed.
drag me into it, Omar.
Look, Maxwell, fundraise some money first, and then we'll worry about the campaign. But in June, I will win.
All right, then don't
When I make top 2, go support Maxine Waters, because that's what you're going to do. Because we know you're with the left. We know you came out of the left. We know that you were with Maxine Waters. And you're going to go straight back to Maxine Waters after I win in June.
That's your
We'll
only
see that.
argument. It's about Maxine
Back to
Waters.
Maxine Waters. That's where you're going
That's
to
your
go.
only argument, Omar.
Sounds like a wish.
That's where they're going to go. Back to Maxine Waters. I guarantee you, when I win in June, when I win in June,
You're not going to win in June.
when I win in June,
right.
You're not
This
going
is
to
what
win.
go back.
You're
and
not
you
even
will
trying
endorse
to win an
Maxine
election.
Waters.
This
You're
is
not
my
even
team
trying to
right
win.
here. They come
You're
after
trying
us, they
to
harass
win.
us,
You're
they
trying
attack
to
the
win.
nation.
You're not trying to win.
This is
You're
what
not
the
trying to
merchant
win.
right is.
You're
This is
asking
what the
why.
alt-right is right here, guys.
If you win in the primary, we will back you. Even though you're a shithead,
I don't believe
even though
it.
you're
there we go.
even though you're
Look at that.
mentally
Look at that.
retarded.
Look at that. I
If
don't
you
believe
win the
him. I don't
primary,
believe him. I
our
don't believe
pack
him.
will back you.
I don't believe
because we
him.
will have
You
we will have no other choice. Because we will have no other choice.
The voice pack has only $200. The voice pack has only $200. $200. What are you gonna back with $200? You can't even buy. You can't even buy turkey with that. You can't even buy turkey.
All you do is tell lies.
You can't even buy turkey with that, Maxwell. FTC reporting filing shows that you have only $250 in your pack.
You sent
and
Big
there's
Alaska a
nothing.
screenshot of
FTC,
2016 American Voice Pack. That's not this
FTC.
election cycle.
Look at the
Stop
FTC.
lying.
FTC.
Stop lying. There are
FTC.
people smarter than
It's
you.
facts.
There are
FTC.
people who are smarter than
FTC
you.
is
It's
that
and just
Edwin
be
raised
ethical.
only $1,000.
Just
How does
tell
he
people
expect to be
that
the
you're
sitting
running in this
congresswoman
race
for
to
27
take
years?
money from
How does he expect to
conservatives,
be a
and you
sitting
don't care about
congresswoman
defeating
for
Maxine
27
Waters.
years.
Just admit it.
How does he expect
Just
to be
admit
the
it.
sitting
Just
congresswoman
admit it.
for 27
Just admit
years?
it.
How does he expect to be the sitting congresswoman for 27 years with $1,000? Not gonna happen.
This is the best I heard you speak.
It's not gonna happen.
No lie, this is the best I heard you speak. You need to do this more often.
It's not gonna happen.
Cash in this shit.
It's not gonna happen.
Yeah. Get him, Omar.
It's
Get
not gonna
him.
happen. How do you expect to beat a sitting congresswoman with less than $1,000?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, it's not gonna happen. Maxine Waters is gonna raise $2 to $3 million with $1,000. Do you honestly think that you're gonna win a legitimate campaign? I ran before and I lost. I raised only $3,000, close to the amount that he raised. Maxine Waters spent $900,000 against me.
Hey, your opponent
$900,000.
Edwin Dirte
She
is
spent $900,000 against me, and she won. You need to fundraise, and you need to get your message out there. It takes money to win sometimes.
So he's watching
It does.
right now. What
It's
do you
a
want
big
to
part
say
of
to him?
campaigning.
He's watching right now.
I mean, legitimacy takes money to win. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's what it is. It's campaigning.
He just joined.
It's
He's
campaigning.
watching right now.
I'm not so worried though. I'm not so worried. I'm more worried about the other guy, the guy that lives in Hollywood, the Hollywood producer. But even then, he's only has like what, $250. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah.
Yep. Let me see.
Yeah, he's watching.
There's only like 10 people.
Well, I just started it.
Oh yeah.
It's on mine.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It's truth. I mean, if you're in the Philippines, you're not here. I'm here in California. I'm here taking all the heat from a lot of different people. They attack me because they know I'm a legitimate candidate going against Maxine Waters. I have endorsements of Roger Stone, Sheriff Joe Arpaio.
Yeah.
I have endorsements from Alex Jones, Owen Shroyer. I have every endorsement, every major, Herman Cain, Joy Villa. I have every major endorsement from that any other candidate. No backing. I have Barry Goldwater Jr. too that's also endorsed my campaign. I have every major backing from every major Republican that is out there.
So these are the people attacking you over here?
Yeah, I mean, they're attacking me because they have nothing.
Like, here we go again.
Before June.
What?
Get your donations while you can before June.
Once
the election
These are
ends,
the people harassing Omar.
I'll be just fine.
you have to get a job.
I mean, $1,000 is not enough credit. I'm sorry. $1,000 is not going to cut it for your campaign.
What do you have to say about this, Iwani?
Oh, I don't know. I just came to see out of curiosity, but I'm not involved in any of this. I float around, I stand, I wear a shirt. I vote.
Pay the 14 bucks.
They came looking for a protester.
There is.
Ortega.
Hey, we're leaving? We're leaving? Yeah, it's over there, remember? Alright.
You should stop the live stream.
Alright. Yeah, we're gonna end this.